Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we've got something exciting for all you car lovers out there. We're diving deep into the Carfident Scratch and Swirl Remover Kit, the ultimate solution for repairing those annoying scratches and swirls on your beloved vehicle. First things first, let's take a closer look at what's inside this kit. It comes neatly packed with everything you need to make your car shine like new. You get a high-quality buffer pad, a microfiber towel, and the star of the show, Carfident's specially formulated scratch and swirl remover compound. Now, what sets this product apart from the rest? Well, here are the highlights. Easy scratch and swirl repair. If your car has light scratches, swirls, or other marks, this kit is here to save the day. With the included buffer pad and Carfident's magic compound, you can easily remove years of wear and tear from your vehicle's paint. Ultimate Paint Restorer. Not only does it remove scratches, but it also restores the gloss and shine of your car's paint, bringing it back to its original brilliance. Say goodbye to water spots, oxidation, and other contaminants. Premium Chemicals. Carfident takes pride in using only the best chemicals in its products. It's professional grade but user-friendly, with no unnecessary color dyes or scents. Safe to use on all paints and colors, including clear coat, single-stage, or multi-stage paint. Now, let's see this kit in action. I've got a car here with a few annoying scratches and swirls. Watch how easily we can make them disappear. The process is simple. Just apply the Carfident compound onto the affected area and use the buffer pad to gently polish it in. It's important to note that for very deep scratches that can be easily felt with your fingernail, this product may not provide a complete fix. And there you have it. Look at the difference. Those scratches and swirls are gone. The paint looks brand new, and the shine is unbelievable. What's also great to know is that Carfident products are proudly made in the USA. This kit is a testament to quality, and it's from a small business brand, so when you support Carfident, you're supporting a dedicated team of car enthusiasts who have poured their expertise into creating top-tier automotive products. But don't just take my word for it. Check out what other customers have to say. With an impressive rating of 4.6 stars and being the #1 bestseller in buffer and polishing backing plates, you can trust that this kit delivers on its promises. Take a look at what some customers had to say. These satisfied customers are proof that the Carfident Scratch and Swirl Remover Kit lives up to the hype. In conclusion, if you've been searching for the best car scratch repair kit on the market, look no further. The Carfident Scratch and Swirl Remover Kit is your go-to solution for achieving that showroom shine and getting rid of those pesky scratches and swirls. If you're ready to give your car the love and care it deserves, click the link below to get your Carfident Scratch and Swirl Remover Kit today. And remember, a scratch-free, shiny car is just a few simple steps away. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on the best products and reviews. Until next time, happy driving, and keep those cars looking pristine.